This is the HWR 5000 BTU window air conditioner. Here are the specs. I got this unit in, I think, 2011. Let's fire it up. By the way, this used to only open like 45 degrees, and over the years, these little holders have broke. So yeah, now it opens 90 degrees, which is pretty nice. Air filter, gotta clean this sometime soon. And I recently cleaned the coil on this thing. I just blasted it with a spray bottle. Here's the start capacitor for the compressor. Electronic sensor. Here's one of the little holders for the filter cover that's fallen off over the years, and it's kind of rusted along with that. No leaks though. Let's fire up the compressor. Not sure if you saw the lights dim there, but the compressor has just started up. So when this unit starts up and the coils and these tubes are dry, this thing will just ice up a little bit. I mean, not always a little bit, sometimes a lot, but it'll just like go up to here, and after a few minutes it'll just defrost. I had this running recently, so you only see you see it's a bit lighter here. A very, very small amount of frost is on the line where the refrigerant, where the cooled refrigerant goes into the coil, and this is the suction line. I'm gonna take you outside later, but let's open this up and see what's there. This up, and don't even know if you can see. So you know what? I'm gonna take you guys outside. And I'm in a cool zone there. I think it's from the 1980s or 1995. Something like on the instruction manual I looked up online. And I don't know, I might film this sometime soon. Here's the cool zone, and there's a hair up there, 6,000 BTU. I have this unit in my parents' bedroom, GE 5000 BTU. It has a Quingen compressor in it. Okay, here's the higher. It has a Retchi precision compressor in it, which you can't see very well. I'll have to listen to it. Yeah, I'm not sure if that sounds. That's how it usually sounds. Nice and warm. Also an LG upstairs that seems to be. There it is, LG. Seems to be running, but not cool. We also have this unit here, a GE 5000 BTU with a Quingen compressor, R410A. You can see all this thing has been like, recently this unit, I think, has been like running like 24/7. So basically it condensated and like a bunch of water dripped, and it kind of grew some like this green algae like stuff. Now you can see the screen is shaking there because of the vibration. Tell me if that compressor sounds healthy, because it sounds only a very, very slight bit like squeaky or screechy. But yeah, I cannot take the cover off of this thing because that screw there is rusted shut, and I tried to do whatever I can. I even chipped the paint off. Just not good. But yeah, this one otherwise I have opened before. But yeah, it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit outside or 30 degrees Celsius, and I had this thing set to originally 77 degrees, and right before the compressor turned off, I let this thing run for like a few minutes. It seemed to get down to about 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, tell me what you think about it. Any questions? I'll be happy to answer them. And comment down below. Do you want to see me film a video where I literally covered the vent up with tape and let this thing freeze up? Like, do you want to see that? Because if you want to, then I'll just tape it up. And yeah, just leave a comment and be sure to like, subscribe, and best to turn on a notification, because I will be posting some air conditioning videos in the next few days. And oh, there goes the compressor again. Now I just fired up. So yeah, this is basically the highest temperature you want to set it to. So let's say I wanted to set 77 degrees. Once it gets to 3 degrees lower than that, which is 74 degrees, it will shut the compressor off, and when it reaches 77, it'll turn the compressor back on. So yeah, I'll see you next time.